Yes. So you have to feel here, boom. Good. And don't pick your finger up, okay? So the deal, the reason being is once you get the harmonic going, it has a certain vibration in the string, so it is cutting off the big string. But if you pick your finger up, it goes back to the fundamental. You hear what I'm saying? So if you leave your finger on it, and you can hear the slide, it'll help you find the pitch. Okay, so don't pick your finger up. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so now what I want you to work on now is the spiccato. Okay, did we talk about it a little bit? So I want you to practice it. So you're going to start practicing spiccato now because I don't think we've actually talked about it. Okay, so this is what I would recommend you play for your audition for DYO.
Okay.
So from then all the so it shows a lot of different rhythms, a lot of different bowing techniques. You got spiccato, you got on the string, you got some thumb position work, shows your scope of the instrument. Okay, it's great. So you need to work over this section incredibly carefully. You need to go back to the fundamentals on this and practice it. And get that, the reflex is a little sharper, okay? So you're not playing the triplet thing, okay? Okay, so once you start playing this, we talked about this a little bit. You practice the spiccato this way, just to kind of feel the bow do its thing, okay? And then you gradually add just a little bit of motion with the arm. As you go faster, you get closer to the string, and you can practice these in duples or triplets. You go. The difference is that when you practice multiples on each, you don't have to get the fingerings as quickly. So it gives your brain a little time to focus on the spiccato. No yawning. Okay, so try it for just a second. So I want you to practice just on an open D string for me. Just go bum, 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 bum. But you're going to do it right about the middle of the bow. Good. Now add a little motion. Bum, 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 bum. Your up bows are louder than your down bows. They all need to sound exactly the same. Good. Here's where your bow grip's going to start to eat you alive, okay? So a little more on the outside with the thumb. This has to be somewhat elastic, okay? To let the bow, so it's not, you don't stiffen up when you play spiccato, you actually get looser. That's nice. Do you see how the bow? So each speed of the spiccato has a certain spot in the bow where it'll feel like the bow's doing most of the work. Okay, it has to do with the balance, how much weight is at the tip. So obviously the farther you move out towards the tip, the less weight there is. When you're going faster, you actually move farther out the bow. When you're going slower, you move towards the frog. Okay, so you need to practice this at different speeds. So you're going to practice, and if I get lower in the bow, hear how the spiccato's a little heavier? You get, I mean, almost poking knife. It's hard to do math like that. The one-eyed mathematician. Okay. As you get close to the frog, though, it becomes more of an arm stroke. So watch here. As I'm out here, you see it's not much arm involved. As I get lower and louder, the arm gets heavier. Okay, so that's the, but if I'm, so then by the other stretch, if I'm going faster, I get lower and I go further out. I mean, you're not going to play this fast. Okay, so it's a little farther out and lower to the string. Okay, so work on that. Practice it at once, you know, this at motion. Keep it so that the down bow and the up bow are the same. The slower you go, a little tighter on the grip, not much. So as you're slow and closer to the frog, it's a firmer stroke. Okay? As you get faster, it's closer to the string and the hand gets lighter. So then you get to one called sautiller. So if you notice, I'm going, it's a half moon. So it's going like this. You know, it's just like the little dip. As you go faster and you move out, the dip kind of almost flattens out. You see there's almost no dip. So my hand over here, instead of doing this, is now going very straight. And if you go really fast, it's called a sautiller, where the bow, actually the hair stays on the string and the bow jumps. Okay, so if I go, but you see I'm moving this direction now. Okay, so you're going to work on this one with the half moon. So this is how you get it started. You do this, and then as you add motion, it'll make it automatically gets it going in that kind of half minute. Make sure you stay even rhythmically and dynamically so that they all sound the same. And then when you get that going, you can practice. So if you practice the threes, it's good because when you play this, it's going to be switching bows every other note. So you down bow the first note, second note's up bow, okay? Which will match the exact same thing for your string crossings. Okay? Threes are good. You got that? So you got a lot of work to do. I will send this to you with fingerings, and I'll send you a recording. Okay? Like Monday.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
I'll send it to your mom's email. In other words, I didn't get to it. I think this is what we need to focus on, because this will matter more. I mean, you got to play clean excerpt, but if you play this really well, they're going to like it. So.
Okay.